Today we will be testing the Forex strength indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Forex strength indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 844 indicators, with 348 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 50 of the winning indicators. 17 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we will be testing the Forex strength indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so, excuse me, you can see also we have a little kind of graph here on the side here on the little scale portion of the indicator. And here on screen, you can actually see that the indicator does a bar coloration of the candles here on top in the price action. And so really that's what we are paying attention to more than anything. And so you can use the indicator down here. Obviously the lines are designating which pair is currently the strongest currently, or you can see that the lines are basically a designation of different Forex pairs and so on. But like I said, the easiest way to do this is just by using the bar coloration. And so when the coloration of the bars turn green, it's going to be a signal to go long. When the coloration of the bars go red, that is going to be a signal to go short. So pretty easy setup, not much to it other than that. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal that we're going to pick up is a short signal. You can see that the coloration of the bars here switch from green to red right there, and pretty much happens as the price action is starting to correct itself and actually make a move back to the upside there. And so pretty much no push to the downside at all before we then switch back to a long signal right here as the bars then turn green. It's going to stop us out on this first one here. And then we're going to pick up a long right there. Looks like we get a decent little push to the upside there, which is enough to get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a short signal right here as the bars switch from that green color to the red color there, and you can see that we get a decent little push to the downside there. That is enough to get us to our take profit once again. Looks like we're going to pick up a long right here, but then we get a pretty quick pullback or drop in price action there. Not sure if it stopped us out. Let's go ahead and measure that out. Yep, it sure did. So that one right there is going to stop us out. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, then we're going to pick up another short right here on this one. And again, pretty much right as we're starting to make the bounce back to the upside there. And so it pretty much immediately takes a run to the upside and flips back into a long signal, stopping us out on that short. And then the long here pretty much immediately rolls over and makes a push to the downside there, which is going to stop us out to the short side. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join and take part in the conversations in most of these channels here. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. For example, Sasquatch here, one of our members, is an amazing Forex prop trader, putting up charts like this on a regular basis where he's doing analysis of the Forex market, marking out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, kind of channels and different wedge patterns that he sees and is keeping an eye on. Just really great information and really great chart analysis that you can learn from. One of our newest admins, Mike from Upright Trading here, does a great job of helping everybody out with indicators. He's got a few different indicators that he has developed himself. Some are free, some are paid, but all of them are really cool, interesting indicators. And he really goes above and beyond to help people out with those indicators and explain how to use them, strategies and different indicators kind of stacked together, as well as constantly updating those indicators and upgrading them in different fashions, adding new things to them, constantly developing those indicators. And so just really great stuff. Some of our other members here are also posting some of the trades that they're taking, kind of documenting and journaling their progress into trading. And so all in all, it's just a really great environment where everybody's helping everybody out, everybody's helping everybody grow and become better traders. So highly recommend that you join us. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Let's get everything scroll back there. All right, let's go ahead and count these out, see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So we have 22 trades altogether. So that's a decent number of trades within the 1 year's time. Let's go ahead and count out the winners, see what we get out of those. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 10 winning trades altogether. That is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. All in all, this indicator was interesting. The main issue that I see is that just kind of create these clusters of trades, basically when we get consolidation. And this happens quite often We see this kind of similar to when we have a single line style indicator. We get these clusters of trades when we kind of hit a ranging market. I actually see that with quite a bit with indicators in general, because it can't quite figure out which way it wants to go, as it's just kind of bouncing back and forth. And like I said, creates these clusters of trades. A lot of the times you get quite a few losing trades in these clusters before it finally then figures out the right direction and hits it, and price kind of takes off one way or another. And so, all right, that's it for this one. It's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.